If you've ever wondered how to know your Gmail password, this video will show you the correct and safe way to do it using Google Password Manager. This is especially useful if you saved your Gmail login on your device before and now you need to view it again. Just a quick note, this only works for passwords you've previously saved in your Google account. If you never saved the password, you won't be able to reveal it this way. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to passwords.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Password Manager, where saved logins and passwords are stored securely. Once the page loads, sign into the Google account that contains the saved Gmail password you want to view. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account connected to your browser or device. After you sign in, you'll see a list of saved passwords. In the search bar, type Google or Gmail to quickly find the saved login you're looking for. If you have multiple results, look for the one that matches the Gmail address or account you need. Click on the correct result to open the saved credentials. At this point, Google may ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. This is completely normal. Depending on your device, you may be asked to enter your computer password, your PIN, or use your fingerprint. Go ahead and complete that verification step so Google can confirm it's really you. Once you're verified, you'll be able to see the saved password details. Find the eye icon next to the password field and click it. The password will appear on the screen, allowing you to view the Gmail password that was saved in your Google account. If you need to use it, carefully copy it exactly as shown, because passwords are case sensitive and even one wrong character can cause a login error. If you're on a shared computer or public device, be sure to close the page when you're done and never leave the password visible. For better security, it's also a good idea to change your Gmail password later if you think your account may have been accessed by someone else. And that's it. You now know how to check a saved Gmail password using Google Password Manager. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.